If you're looking to download your Livestorm webinar recordings, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to download those recordings, step by step, so you can access them anytime and make the most out of your content. First off, let me tell you, Livestorm makes it easy to manage your webinars and recordings. Whether you're using them for marketing, training, or simply keeping a record of your sessions, knowing how to download your Livestorm webinar recordings is key. And don't worry, we'll make this quick and simple. To get started, log into your Livestorm account. From your dashboard, head over to the webinars section, where you'll find a list of all your past webinars. Once you're there, select the specific webinar for which you want to download the recording. After selecting the webinar, you'll see several options. The one you're looking for is the recording tab, which houses the video files for that session. Click on that, and you'll see the recording itself, along with any relevant details, like the date and time the webinar was held. Here's where it gets really simple. Just click the download button and Livestorm will automatically start preparing your recording for download. Depending on the length of the webinar and the video quality, this could take a few moments. But once it's ready, you'll be able to save the recording directly to your device. For anyone new to Livestorm, keep in mind that these recordings are stored in the cloud, making them easy to access whenever you need them. And if you're dealing with multiple webinars, it's a great way to keep everything organized without worrying about lost files. Downloading these recordings is as easy as clicking a button, and it's a great way to repurpose content or share it with your audience. Now, before you go ahead and download, let me share a quick tip with you. Livestorm also offers some advanced features for post-webinar analytics. If you're planning to use the recordings for marketing purposes, you'll find it helpful to check out the analytics to see how engaged your audience was during the webinar. This can give you valuable insights into what worked and what can be improved for future sessions. If you want to explore more of Livestorm's features, such as automated follow-up emails or customizing your webinar landing pages, there's even more you can do to optimize your webinar experience. And if you're completely new to Livestorm, I've got something special for you. You can try out Livestorm for free through the first link in the description below, where I have secured an exclusive bonus just for you. You'll get full access to the features, including webinar recording downloads, to see if this software is a good fit for your needs. Livestorm really stands out as one of the top choices for webinar software, especially if you're looking for high-quality recordings and ease of use. It's perfect for marketers, educators, or anyone who needs to host engaging online events. So, go ahead and grab that exclusive extended free trial from the link below and start using Livestorm to streamline your webinar process. You'll be able to download those recordings in no time and make the most of your sessions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the first link in the description for your extended free trial to Livestorm and start making your webinars work harder for you today.